Hello dear students, welcome back to the EVS class. We will continue this chapter What is Cooking video lecture number 3. Now in this video lecture we will learn about different methods of cooking food. Different methods of cooking food are boiling, steaming, baking and frying. Boiling, steaming, baking and frying are some of the methods used for cooking the food. Do you know milk is usually boiled before consuming as boiling kills germs that can spoil the milk. Boiling helps to preserve milk for a longer time. Food can be cooked by boiling it in water for some time. Pulses are usually cooked by boiling them in water for different periods of time. A pressure cooker is often used for this purpose. We can boil eggs also. Food can be cooked by boiling it in water for some time. Eggs can also be cooked by boiling them. Next cooking method is steaming. In this case, cooking is done by the steam obtained by boiling water. A deep vessel can be used for this type of cooking. Steaming shortens the duration of cooking and helps in conserving nutritive value of the food. Steam food is very nutritious and steam cooked food is also easy to digest. Foods like idli and dokla are prepared by this method. And the next is baking. Indirect heating with or without using oil is known as baking. Baking is usually in an oven. Cakes, biscuits and breads are made by baking. So baked food is often liked by everyone. Next is roasting. Roasting means to cook food in an oven or over a fire. Roasting is a cooking method that uses dry heat which makes the food flavorful and crust from outside. Next is frying. Many of us must have enjoyed food like pakoras and jalebis. These are prepared by frying. So these are the jalebis and pakoras. This method is not a very healthy method of cooking food. It is advisable to avoid fried food. Write the names of the things in the front of different methods of cooking. Roasting, sweet potato, corn, boiling, potato, rice, eggs, frying, puri, pakoras, baking, cake, biscuits, steaming, idli, dhokla. Okay dear students, this is your next book page followed by an activity, make and eat. Soak whole moong seeds overnight in water. In the morning, wrap the soaked moong in a wet cloth and cover it. Take it out after a day. Do you find any difference? Yes, the moong dal seeds germinate after a day. What is the meaning of germinate? Germination means the development of a plant from a seed or whole moong after a period of time. After a day or two, you will find that small tails come out from the seed which we call sprouts. Sprouts are very healthy and nutritious. It is good for health. We can use other whole grains also to make sprouts. To make it more tasty, you can add chopped onions, tomatoes, salt and lemon juice and mix well. Enjoy this By making sprouts at home, share it with your younger brother and sister or with your classmates. Your next page with one more activity, cooking without fire, which you will definitely enjoy. Which are the other things you can prepare without cooking? Write the names and the methods of preparing them. One example is given below. Lemon water. Mix sugar in water, add lemon juice, strain it, lemon water is ready. Next, in the second, you can add lassi and any other which you like. So, I am going to take lassi here. For lassi, take 1 cup curd, add some sugar, add crushed ice, mix well using a mixer, and your lassi is ready. In the third point, bel puri or sandwich. You can choose any. So students, you can write in the given boxes the steps how you will prepare bel puri or sandwich. You can even write the steps of how sandwich is prepared. Do it yourself, prepare at home and make everyone happy. Isn't it good? I'm sure that you will enjoy this. Till the time, try these making new food items at home. In the next video lecture, we'll continue more about cooking. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.